Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News Talk WDBO. And during the radio show, you always hear me talking about Chrissy and how you can call or text her anytime at 407-808-8398. And this is the time of the show I like to bring Chrissy on the air with us. Welcome, Chrissy.
Hi, Tom. Thank you for having me.
So I know you talk to so many of our clients and radio listeners out there, and you really have your finger on the pulse of what's going on with them. What are you finding going on these days?
More and more people, Tom, would like to know how they can help their loved ones, but also kind of work with their maybe little unique situations with regards to real estate. And I share with them, if anybody can help them, it's you. Because you have done real estate, you know all of the ways, just by listening to their circumstances, you can come up with a solution based upon their goals and their circumstances. And I definitely want to let people know to please continue to call me, let me know, outline your circumstances, and I'll get it to you and you can help them.
Well, thank you so much. Speaking of real estate, I want to tell a story. I had a client last Monday. His name was Michael. He was a new client to me. And Michael called me on the phone. He goes, Tom, I want to buy my parents' house here in Orange County. And I know it's so complicated and so complex. And, can I come in and see you? And Michael came in and saw me on Monday. I go, Michael, that's easy. Boom, boom, boom. We do a contract. We're, in and out in 30 minutes. And he and his partner, they were just so relieved. They had been working with a lawyer already for 3 months and gotten nowhere on this simple little transaction. And he was very relieved and very grateful. In fact, there's a website out there called AVVO, AVVO.com. And on AVVO.com, you can find lawyer ratings and client reviews. And Michael, on his own volition, went to AVVO, AVVO.com and did a very nice review for me. That was really cool.
Well, thank you, Michael, for doing that. And I think, Tom, that's a great example, what you just described, of that very happy client, and for what you did for them, that you turned what they felt was going to be a very nerve-wracking, a very complex situation, and you were able to accomplish that for them in a very short time because, again, you know the law, but more importantly is that you know how to create solutions for them that are going to work.
Thank you. Well, the other client I want to talk about today is Sandy. Sandy's been a long-time client of mine, done his trusts over many, many years, and Sandy is a loyal listener, and Sandy came to see me last night. He wants to change his trust because Sandy is engaged.
Yay!
And really cool, Sandy's 84 years old, and number one, he's a loyal listener, so he knows that you and I are engaged, and he's very thrilled for us.
That is so exciting.
And so Sandy brought in, we were talking about it, and his fiance, and her name, I think it's Molly. They have known each other for 51 years.
Wow.
And now they are getting engaged, and it's just so beautiful and wonderful. And it's just a pleasure to talk to Sandy, and eventually we'll meet his fiance, and just a lovely man and a new lovely couple. He brought us her picture, and you and I got to see a picture of her, and she just looks like a lovely woman.
I am so happy for them. Congratulations to you, and that is wonderful that it means so much to them to say, even at that age, because I think, hey, I don't care whether you're 150. If you want to be able to get married, go for it. So I think that's wonderful. Yeah.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that, Chrissy. So if you want to see Chrissy and I's little talk here, we're going to make a video of it. You'll find it at Lawtube.com. Check it out at Lawtube.com.
Thank you, Tom.
Let's go back and we'll go to work, and that is answering your legal questions. So first, let me give out the phone numbers to reach me here in the WDBO studio, 407-297-9696.